Hello. Greetings. I am back. So that was really annoying. So yeah, I tried opening Unity Hub and it kept saying uh you cannot open this program or something like that. It was like a Windows pop-up saying that. And I couldn't figure out why, so I restarted my PC. That's why the stream ended. And when I got my PC going again, that didn't fix anything. I still had the same problem. So I downloaded a new version of Unity Hub and got that working. But then I tried to start up the project again, and it was still saying an error with the package manager. So I downloaded a new version of Unity, and at the same time, I downloaded Godot because I was like, fuck it, if Unity's not gonna work, then I'm just gonna learn how to use Godot, I guess. Anyway, I got a newer version of Unity, and now it's working. It's open. It's fine. I think it's fine. Theoretically, it should be fine. Ah, that was stressful. That was very stressful. I'm sorry about that delay. If anyone was watching and watching with bated breath, waiting for me to resume working on this game. Anyway, let's see what I can do here about this. Ah, geez, that whole experience just like messed with my head. That was very annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna create some folders here just to get everything set up. One for script, one for sprites, a folder for sounds. What else? What else do I need? I can't even think of anything right now. What's with these plus signs? That's new. Is that just indicating that's an empty folder? That wasn't in the last version of Unity that I had. These blue plus signs. All right. Well. Oh, geez, I got to get my head back into game development mode. I was in trying to figure out what the fuck was going on with Unity mode. Now that's done. You know, I also have to be in streaming mode as well. Okay, let's open up a sprite again. Um, let's see here. A separate. There. So I did I not make a file? Oh no, I started making a file for the bull. Yeah, so I was thinking about making a game about a charging bull that's basically robot unicorn attack, but you have to collect batteries to keep the bull charged because he's also a robot. I guess it's robot bull attack apparently. I don't know. And also you'll be able to charge up like a super charge dash, but it's going to like slow you down for a moment beforehand. And I think the idea, well, I mean, it's a ScoreSpace Jam, so it's all about getting a high score. So the idea will be, trying to get as far as possible, or survive for as long as possible, or I think it'll be mostly about the distance that you manage to go. But I think that the time will make a difference too, because that'll encourage people to actually dash. I think. Hopefully. Theoretically, that's how it'll work. because the dash slows you down for a moment while you're charging it, but then like once you let go of it, you're gonna like go super fucking fast for a little bit, and you're gonna like lose control, or it's gonna be harder to control, so it's gonna be a bit more risky. Let me bring up a different color palette here. I'll just go with the NES color palette for now. Oops, I didn't mean to open folder. Load. Okay, so this is going to be like a robot bull. What color should a robot bull be? Like blue? Blue bull? This whole experience is giving me blue bull. Blue bulls. I don't know. That was a stupid joke. Let me change the canvas size a bit. I actually think this might be a little bit too small for what I want to do. Maybe? Or maybe... Can I just undo that? Okay, let's just see what I can do here in terms of like a little like super pixelated bull. It's gonna look kind of stupid, I think. I wonder, should I get some BGM going here? I probably should, shouldn't I? Because it's kind of dull with no background music. Hold on, let me put on some of this. Some white bat audio. I'll make it very quiet. Then I have to set that up in OBS. How do I do this? Application audio capture. Okay. Then, yeah. All right, is that audible? Can you hear that? Hopefully that can be heard. I don't know if I like the color of this bull right now. I'm gonna make it more of a bull color instead of bright blue. You can't really tell what it is. I think this is a bit too small for what I want to do. Yeah, let's make it like... Let's make the canvas 32 by 32. Oh, no, this is way too tiny. Or maybe I should just make it like really fucking small and stupid looking instead of even trying to make it look remotely realistic. Wait, hold on. This does not look anything like a bull. Okay, let's try again and just make it look kind of stupid. It's just gonna be like a super tiny, like, Atari-looking bull. Yeah, like this. There. That's more like what I was thinking. This works better for me. Let's give him stubby little legs. Maybe not that stubby. I guess. Okay, yeah. Let's keep it there. Give him a head. There. That's a bull. That's what bulls look like, right? Maybe give him some horns. Yeah. Something like that. There. Now that's a bull. That's a bull if I've ever seen one. If somebody asked me what that was, I would say it's a bull. Do I need to make him... I think I need to make the bull look more like a robot, though. Yeah, give him a goofy eyeball. How do I make the bull look like a robot? Give him like a robot joints. No, that looks stupid. Okay, you know what? I don't... This doesn't need to be like the final art of the bull. This needs to just be like... Something slightly resembling a bull. Fuck. Hold on. I don't really want this to be visible. I don't want you to see that my file structure. Where is a sprite in this fucking list of stuff? Wait, where even is it? Why can't I find it? A sprite, there it is. There. Okay, yeah, so really good thing that I didn't fucking show that. Because that totally would have just doxed myself. If I had gone up one more file, then I would have just doxed myself. Okay. Alright, I think it's fine now. Okay, let's go. Roto full _1. And then let's add another frame. Hey, where's the animation timeline? There it is. Okay, new frame. You know what, let's make the bull stubbier. I've decided I want a stubby bull. And just make it like smaller in general. Yeah, I like that. I like that better. Okay, new frame. And then this frame is gonna be running. Let's go like that and like that. And then move his tail down a bit. Maybe like that. Let's see how that looks. It's pretty good. I don't like how this pixel is just kind of staying here, though. All right, that's not too bad. Let's add a couple more frames just to make the animation a bit better. Okay, so then it goes up, and I want the tail to maybe stay a little bit behind for one frame. Like that. And it goes like that, and then the tail's gonna do that. How does that look? I don't know if I like how that looks. Yeah, that looks pretty stupid, actually. Let me just erase... Whoa, that's a big eraser. I don't need it to be that big. Well, let's make it 1 pixel. Okay, let's erase the tail completely. Actually, I do think I want the tail like that for this frame. But not for this one. This one, it goes down. And then maybe like this. See how that looks. Yeah, I like that. Looks pretty good. And then let's have his like whole head kind of 1 frame behind as well. Then on this frame, it needs to go up. Fill in a pixel there and erase this pixel. There. There we go. Now we have a nice little charging bull. I think that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah. Okay. Save that. What's this? I don't need to save this. Okay, cool. I'm pretty satisfied with this. And then should there be a separate sprite for when he's like charging? Like a sprite where he has like his horns down. Okay, yeah, I think there should be. Is that an empty frame? Just label these as run. And then label this as charge. So I think I'll take this frame, copy it, paste it. Let's move all the legs back that pixel. Maybe even move these back even more on this little spot. Nah, I don't like the way that looks. And then I want to make his head kind of pointing downwards, so his horns are facing forwards. So how am I gonna do this now? Okay, well, let's start by like, his horns need to be separated by like a pixel at least. Okay, maybe like that, but remove this pixel. Now you can't see his eye, but does that really matter that much? I don't know. Should I add like almost like streaks going back from him? Like that, like yeah, that looks kind of cool actually. I kind of do like that. So maybe maybe I should make this 2 frames. This probably is going to be like the final animation, really. I probably am just gonna end up doing it in this art style. I can't imagine doing doing any more than this. Is that really gonna look good? Maybe it'll look good when he's moving forwards. Like, it's gonna be small, like... I don't know why I'm making sound effects. I don't know. Maybe these streaks that are coming back should be in white. Let's try it. Let's see what that looks like. I want to have them moving kind of differently. I don't know. Maybe it'll look alright in-game. If not, I can always change it. I don't need to spend too much time on this. I only got 3 days. Okay. Then I also need... platform. And a battery. The platform just be 8x8, maybe? Since the bowl is so fucking small. Only 16 by 16. I don't know, let's just see. Let's just see how it looks in-game once I get everything set up. Platform is just gonna be... I guess I'll make it ground colored. Make it look kinda like ground, at least. And add some grass on top. Is that too bright, I wonder? Might be too bright. But I don't want to make it the same color as the bull. Maybe if I just add, like... some of this on the bottom, a little bit of shading. Okay. It'll do for now. I can change it later. And then let's create a sprite for the battery. No, I do want the NES color palette. So wait, what do batteries look like? Look like this. It's like a... I don't know, they got like a yellow or an orange. It's the top. They have like a black part, maybe. Does that look like a battery? I feel like if you're running along in game and you see that, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that's a battery. Now let's just make it bob up and down. Should these colors be opposite, I wonder? Let me just see how that looks. You know, I'm just gonna look up an image of a video game battery to see what they tend to look like. It doesn't need to look like a realistic battery. Oh, now it's just showing me batteries like for game consoles. 8-bit battery. Okay, yeah. Alright, I think I know how I'll do this then. I'll do it like... It'll have this on the top and bottom, and the middle will be black, I guess? Sure. Alright. That's good enough for me. I mean, this just needs to be a prototype battery right now. I just need to have some basic programmer art to work with. I hate it it's not centered. I kind of want to make it wider. I just do that, make it wider. I kind of do prefer the way it looks when it's thinner. Okay. Well, in game, you're not gonna see the whole box around it, so it is gonna look centered. There, it's gonna be like that. Except, you know, the animation's gonna be a bit slower. Okay. And there's gonna need to be, like, blocks that you have to break through. So I'll probably make those like a stone block with cracks in it. This is a different shade of gray. It's just the same gray. How should I do this? Maybe I won't even make them gray. Maybe make them like blue. I don't know. Let's do gray for now and see if I can make it look kind of cracked. Maybe I should do light gray and then dark gray for the cracks. You know, that's good enough for now. Crack. Block. Alright. So I think I've got all the sprites done that I need for, like, just a prototype. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break. And then I'll be right back. Well, let me just pause that. I'll be right back. And start working on the actual game. Okay, I'm back. Alright, while I was in the bathroom, I was thinking about how this game's actually gonna work, and then I realized it kind of needs to be a roguelike, doesn't it? Where the platforms are, like, spawning in at different lengths and different heights from one side of the screen. Okay, wait, let me just, export all of these so that I can bring them into the game so I can start trying to get this working. Oh yeah, and I was thinking I would add a little plus sign. This is too small to add a plus sign. It's gonna take up the whole thing. You know what? I'm fine with that. I don't mind that. Plus, these might not even be the final graphics, but realistically, they probably will be. Okay, export sprite sheet. Every time I make a game, I'm like, yeah, these are just prototype graphics, I'll change it later. But then I always... I never change it. I think with this battery, I'm probably gonna just use one frame and then animate it moving up and down a bit more smoothly in Unity. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. Alright, so let's go to sprites. Then add these into here. Good day, Double Papa. Welcome to my game dev stream. It started out very, very stressful, but now things are going a little bit smoother. How's the dev going? Yeah, it's going all right now. It started out at the start of the stream. I started working on the game, and then Unity wouldn't open. Well, at first Unity Hub would open, and then I started working on the or trying to make the project, and Unity wouldn't make the project. It kept giving me this error that was like something with the package manager. And anyway, I tried just updating Unity Hub to see if that would fix it, and then Unity Hub wouldn't open at all. It kept giving like a Windows pop-up that was like your computer cannot run this program. Classic Unity, probably. Yes. Classic Unity. I've had many issues with it. Anyway, I had to end the stream because I was like, all right, I don't know what to do, so I'll restart my computer. And then I restarted it, and the problem was still happening. So then I downloaded and installed a new version of Unity Hub, and then like it still was giving me the same error with the package manager, and then I just ended up downloading a new version of Unity. And while that was going on, I also downloaded Godot because I was like, all right, if Unity doesn't work, I'm just going to learn Godot right now. Okay. I think I have all of the packages that I need. Okay. Sprite. Multiple pixels per unit. 8. How do I do this? Filter mode. Point, no filter. Compression, none. Glad it worked out. That sounds shitty. Yes, it was quite shitty. It was very stressful to deal with. It took me like, I think the initial stream was like 10 to 15 minutes before I had that problem. And then it took me like 40 or 50 minutes to figure out how to fix it. Yeah, it really sucked. For some reason, you can't see the sprite editor window in OBS. Strange. Anyway, I'm just slicing up my sprites here. So it turned out that the theme of the jam, the theme of the game jam, is charge or charging or something like that. So I decided to make a game about a charging bull, but then you have to like pick up batteries in order to keep the bull charged, and then you can also charge up an attack. So there's like charging in 3 different ways in this game. So hopefully that works with the theme well enough. Oh wait, I forgot to turn my background music back on. That's why everything was so quiet. What was I doing? Sprite editor. I don't know why the sprite editor doesn't show up. It just looks like I'm clicking at nothing. Oh, I finally have a dual monitor set up, by the way. So now I can actually see... I can actually have everything in full screen, and I can have OBS and chat over on the other screen. Makes things much easier for me. Yeah, I ordered an HDMI to VGA converter to hook up this old monitor because I thought that my graphics card had 4 HDMI outputs, but no, it turns out it has 1 HDMI output and 3 DisplayPort outputs, which I didn't even know that was a thing because I never had to work with that before because I've always just used laptops. It just hooked up with an HDMI. So anyway, I had to buy a different adapter for DisplayPort to VGA. And that was also almost giving me troubles. Because like I hooked it up and it wouldn't work. Windows just wasn't detecting my second monitor. So older gen GPU, I guess. Yeah, it's like a 1060. I think is what I've got. But yeah, Windows wasn't detecting the display, and I just could not figure out what to do, and I was really stressed out, and I was like, I don't know, this probably won't work, but I'll just try plugging it into a different port. And so I did that, and it worked. And now it works perfectly fine. Right now I'm just preparing the sprites. Thank God for that. Yes. Thank God for very, very simple solutions. Okay, save. Now let's start getting things going here. Create an object for the player. And then I'm just gonna drag these sprites into here. And save this animation as anim_player. I guess you can't see this window. But there, you can see this little fella. He's the player. Just gonna rename that to GFX. Here's the animation. I'm just gonna, real quick, create a folder. Animations. There, so now I have an animation. Check it out. Wait, why is the game not running? All compiler errors have to be fixed before you can enter play mode. What the fuck? Metadata file, library of packages, cat. Oh, what is this now? Okay. I'm just gonna copy this and Google it. Hold on. Where did my mouse go? There it is. Yeah, I have no idea what that error is. What can I do about this? Oh my god. This person says they restarted their computer and it worked for them. I don't want to restart my computer again. I'll have to restart the stream again. This is quite annoying. This person tried clearing their package cache and ensuring the collaborate service was disabled. But neither worked, okay, so I might as well not do that. I fixed it for me was removing the version control package. Check your filter in package manager. Okay. Okay, well, I'm not using version control anyway. Even though I probably should. Let's remove it, I guess. I don't even have anything set up to, can't just restart the program. I can. I'm gonna try that next. Yeah, I assume that wouldn't immediately fix everything. Okay, yeah, I am just gonna restart the program then. Hopefully Unity Hub opens. Wouldn't that be funny if it just didn't open? And then there's a couple more things I can try. This person says, close Unity and delete library and OBJ folders, then open Unity again. It will resync those folders. And disable collaborate from services window. Is my stream down? Okay, sorry. OBS just disconnected there. I'm back, right? You can hear me and everything? I've been having that problem too today. That's the second time that that's happened. That OBS has disconnected. Am I back now? Okay, cool. Yeah, I don't know why that's been happening today. Let's see if let's see if my problem is fixed. Yes! Check it out! He's running! He's running like a pro! Okay. Look at he go. He going. He sure be going. Okay, so now let's make platform. And then I will give it this sprite. And I will give it a collider. Box collider 2D. Oh, I need to reposition this. Okay, so now I have a platform. Or at least a single block of a platform. Need the move tool so I can move things around. There. Now I need a player movement script. Get things moving. Actually, okay, so this game is going to be like a little bit of a roguelike, so I'm going to need to have a script for like building platforms out of these blocks. I'm just going to call this a block, not a platform, because a platform will be a series of blocks. So let's create a script, call it platform. Ooh, my first script. Yeah, I want to get these platforms going before I get the character moving. Is Visual Studio going to be visual? It doesn't seem like it. Wait, why can't I see Visual Studio? Wait, let's close Unity Hub. Maybe if I do this. No? Still can't see Visual Studio. There. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so now I need a reference to the block. Block. Why is this looking all fucky right now? Oh, because I put this in the wrong place. Oops. I meant to put this... No. Here. Okay. I don't like having these here. These bug me. So now... let's create a method for... create platform. And then I'm going to need a platform length and a platform height. Okay, so... so let's say And platform length is equal to, what is it? I random range. What is it? Oh, is it math f dot I random range? What is it? I have to look this up. Random range integer. It's just random. Oh, it's random dot range. Okay, random dot range. Is range not capitalized? Wait, it's capitalized here. Okay. I didn't spell range wrong, did I? I don't know why it's underlined here. What is this? Change range to random range. No, I just want random dot range. Okay, whatever. It should work. It should just be fine. And let's say, okay, let's add a couple more integers for determining the maximum and minimum length of a platform. So min length equals, let's say, like 3. Max length. No, not max length attribute. No, why did it fill that in for me? Max length equal to, I don't know, 20. And then random range between min length and max length. Okay. So now that should give me a random number between 3 and 20, and I'll be able to adjust these numbers in the inspector. Now I need to make a for loop to generate the platform. For I is equal to int I is equal to 0. I always forget how to do for loops if it's supposed to be less than or greater than. I forget every single time. I think it's like while I is less than max length, I plus plus. Pretty sure that's how it works. Oh, it needs to be less than. Okay. It's not until it's greater than, it's while it's less than. Okay. So now, it needs to instantiate it's another thing I kind of forget how to do. Okay, just instantiate. Instantiate block at... I think I need to... hold on. I think I want to set I to min length. And then I need to have a vector 2. Let's just call it block pause. That's going to be the position, or vector 2 block pause equal to new vector 2. And that's going to be... Wait, no. Do I want to set I to minimum? No, I is going to be like the position of the blocks along the platform. So I just want it to be 0, or no, I want it to be I. I, comma, 0. Okay, and then I want to instantiate the block at block pause, and then just quaternion.identity. And go lay down. Have a good stream, man. Maybe I'll see you later if you're still on. All right, sounds good. Enjoy your lay down. Have a good rest. Quaternion.identity. All right. So, if I did this right, when a platform is created, it should instantiate a series of blocks starting at position 0, 0, and it keeps going for the length of, the length of the platform. It needs to be, okay, this needs to be platform length, not max length. Okay. So let's just say create platform right here and see if we can start the game and make a platform. Hopefully that'll work. Let's head back into Unity here. And create a platform game object. That'll just be, I'll just leave it right there. Add the platform script. Let's create a prefabs folder so that I can make my block into a prefab. Should be all I need from the block. I can probably just delete this from here right now. Then add this as my prefab. Okay, now let's see if I can make a platform of random length. Let's find out what happens. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Okay. Alright, that's like... How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Well, let's try again. See if it's a different length. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I hope I didn't miscount last time and it's just 18 every time. Oh no, this one's shorter. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Okay, cool. So this seems to work. Let's lower max length down to like 15. Make the min length maybe like 4. I think that's fine for now. Okay. So this seems to be good. So then let's make a platform spawner script that will spawn platforms at the right side of the screen. This is going surprisingly smoothly. I can't believe things are I can't believe that script just worked immediately. Let's open this up in Visual Studio. Okay. So then I need... So let's make these public floats. I need a max platform height. And, oops. Let's just go max height. And min height. Okay. And then I need another variable to determine how often they spawn. Let's say min spawn time and max spawn time. And at its most basic, that's probably all that I'll need, but I'm definitely gonna need to adjust things as time goes on. I might need to add another variable to determine like how close a platform can be to the previous platform. Or another variable to make sure that platforms don't spawn in like the same line twice in a row. I don't know how much that'll matter. Okay, wait. So what's the maximum and minimum height? Excuse me. Let's just go by, like, the screen. The max height is, like, 4.5... 4.5... Let's say, like, -5 and +5 for the min-max height. Max height is equal to 5. Min height is equal to -5. That is how it goes, right? Yeah. And then I'm gonna need a coroutine. Enumerator. Should I call it spawn platform What's the problem with this? What did I do wrong? Not all code paths return a value. I know that. I didn't put anything in there yet. Okay. How do I do this again? It's like yield, return, new, wait for seconds. Wait for seconds. I think that's what it is. So I need to go random range. Figure out how many seconds I'm gonna wait. Okay, let's say min spawn time is equal to, I don't know, 2, and then max is equal to 5. Yeah, those are just going to be temporary numbers for now. But I'll adjust those as I make this game. Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure I'm doing this right. Yeah, yield return new, wait for seconds. And let's have a variable here called wait time. And then float wait time is equal to random dot range min spawn time and max spawn time. Okay. And then I want to spawn a platform. So, instantiate. Actually, I'm going to need a prefab for the platform. So, public game object platform. Okay. So then I will need I'll need a float for the spawn height. It's going to be random dot range min height and max height. Excellent. Okay, so then instantiate platform, and let's just go new vector 2 spawn height. And then, oh wait, no, that spawn height is the y coordinate. So x is 0, and then spawn height, and then quaternion dot identity. What did I do wrong here? Oh, got a bracket there. Okay. So now theoretically, this should spawn platforms every so many seconds. Oh, actually, I need to start a routine. And then start that there. Did I do something wrong? Oh yeah, got these brackets. And then let's copy and paste that down here to restart the coroutine. Okay, so theoretically, if I did everything right, this should spawn a platform every few seconds. Let's make this into a prefab. Platform prefab. It doesn't have a sprite or anything, but that doesn't matter. Doesn't matter in the slightest. So let's create an empty game object, call it platform spawner. It's just doesn't really matter where I put it right now. And at the end, it's going to be at the very right side of the screen. But right now, I'll put it here just for the sake of testing things. And then let's add my platform spawner script to it. Add platform. Wait, no, I don't want to add the script. I want to add the platform prefab. Okay. So now let's see if this starts spawning platforms of random length at random heights at random time intervals. That should be how this works. Okay. Okay, so it's spawning them all at the same height. Also, can I instantiate these blocks as a child object of the platform? I don't really need to do that. It just make things a little bit more organized. Okay. Oh wait, so there's an argument in instantiate where I can declare the parent object? So can I just go, I can just say like game object? And that will be fine? Or wait, no, it takes in a transform, right? Okay. So first of all, I'll do that. Go game object dot transform. Is that how you do it? Wait, why is it? Put it here. Okay. So now the block should instantiate as a parent of the platform, and now I need to figure out why these aren't spawning at different heights. What is the problem? So let's just, okay. Debug.log spawn height. Let's see what it's saying there. Min height. I don't know why it wouldn't be working. On height. It's just wanting them the same height every time. Okay. Anyway, let's just see what happens now. Okay. Why is it just saying debug.log object? Whatever, it's fine. Okay, wait, no, never mind. I forgot how to read this. It is giving different heights, but it's just spawning them at the same height. Okay, well, I know that this works. Just go vector to spawn position. New vector to 0 spawn height. And that should work. Let's just make this. I mean, I don't see how that would make any difference, really. But it might? Maybe? I don't know what else to do. Let's see. No, it's still not working. What's going on? Wait. It does say it has a different Y value. Why is it saying there's a different Y value? If this is saying it's at Y negative 2.6. And this is saying it's at Y 2.3, but they're clearly in the same place. I don't know what's going on here. Am I going crazy? What did I do wrong? Oh, for some reason, this is offset. Okay, let's just set all this to 0. Just to put my mind at ease. I don't know what could be going wrong here. Oh my god, okay, so this is the first bug that's gonna drive me insane. Apparently. Like, why? Why is this happening? This doesn't make any sense to me. Let's wait until a couple different platforms spawn. Okay, so now this one's at negative 1.2. This one's at Y 1.8. And this one's at Y 1.4. But they're all in the same line. What? So confused. doesn't make any sense to me. What coordinate is this at? Why? Why? Why is it not spawning them at different heights? I'm so confused. Like, I'm gonna do another debug.log, but I just know that it's gonna tell me that it's giving random numbers and random positions. So why isn't it working? I'm so confused. This doesn't make any sense to me. See, it's saying that they're spawning at different positions, but they're not. Negative 0.79, negative 2.95, negative 3.4, negative 2.53, but they're all in the same place. What is going on? Why did the music stop? Video paused. I'm so confused. I don't know why I pressed play again as if I'd get any kind of different result from this. This is silly. This makes no sense. Oh my god. What can I even do about this? Hold on. Give me a moment. This is so incredibly silly. I don't understand at all. What else can I do? Like, okay, so this first platform theoretically spawned at Y 4.39. Or well, okay, that's rounded. And that's what it says here. It says Y 4.387. But it's not. Is it something to do with like world position? Oh my god. I don't understand. Why are they all spawning in the same place? It says different numbers. I don't get it. I don't understand at all. Maybe it has something to do with world space positioning? It's the only thing I can think of. I don't understand. I'm just Googling this. Prefab instantiating at wrong position. Nothing to do with the transforms, is it? Can't be. Because I already reset the transforms. I reset the transforms for the prefab. They're all at 0. And these are all at 0. So it's not that. Maybe if I reset this transform? Maybe that's it. Okay. I don't think that's it. If that is it, then I don't understand anything, apparently. I don't think it's working. I already don't think it's working. No, it's not. They're still all spawning in the same place. Even though it says they're in different places. Why does it say they're in different places? Unity's lying to me! Okay. Wait, this person says, I had the same problem. I found out my prefab transform had a default position in its transform, which was causing the offset. To fix, just change the transform position to 0, 0, 0. I already did that. Like, this is at 0, 0, 0. This is at 0, 0, 0. So that should be fine. Once again, this is at 0, 0, 0. It's not any of the problems that are being recommended in these threads. In these Unity forum threads. I don't understand why it's saying this. Like, if I set this to 0, why is 0 up there? If I set this one to 0, it's there. What? And that now it's there? I'm so confused. What? These are all at Y0, but they're clearly in different places. Okay, you know what? You know what? Okay. I think I'll instantiate the platform and then move it in the platform script. That's what I'll do. Can I do that? Wait. Wait, I think I might know what's going on. It's setting the platform itself to a position, but it's setting the blocks within the platform to Y0. That's what's going on. Wait, I think I get it. I think I get it. I think I know what's happening now. It's like this is set to Y negative 2.3, but if I open up this, well, it's negative or 3.2, but then these are being set to 3.2, so it's like offsetting them and setting them back to 0. Okay, I get it now. I know what's going on. I know it. I get it. Okay, let's set this to transform.position.y. This will fix it. This is it. This is what's going on. Okay. That's 100% what the problem is. Now it will work. It will work. It's 100% going to work. Oh my god! Yes! 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 Haha! It's working! I can't believe it! I can believe it because it should have been working the whole time! Oh my god. I finally fixed it. Okay, so now that's done. So now the next thing I need to do is I need to get just everything moving. I need to get the player moving. I need a player movement script. The problem was so simple in the end. It was so simple. That's how it goes most of the time when you're working on a game. You get a problem like that, and it's just... the solution is just the dumbest thing. It's just the dumbest, simplest thing that you'd never think of. I need to open a drink here. Alright. So for the player movement, I'm just gonna copy and paste some stuff from an old game that I made. I can't use everything though, just a couple things. Wait, how much can I even use? Okay, well first of all, I'm gonna need this character controller script. This is from Bracky's. This is just from a Bracky's tutorial that I use for my 2D platformers. And then player movement. Yeah, I think I can just copy this over for the most part. And then just change a few things here and there. I could have just dragged that into the project, I guess, but whatever. So I need to set up the what do I need to set up? I need to set up the rigid body. And I need to make it so the camera follows the character. I need to make it so the character is constantly moving, is one thing. Because that's the kind of game that this is. So let's see here. No set float. I don't know if I'm gonna need this. Because I'm not really changing the animation as the character is moving. The character's just gonna be doing the same animation in a loop constantly. And then, what else do I need to set here? Horizontal move. Well, that's not gonna really take in an input, is it? So let's just get rid of that for the time being. Horizontal move is equal to... That's a vector too, right? Or is it just a float? Or is it... Oh, it is just a float. Let's just go... Horizontal move is equal to move speed. That should be all I need. For now. Okay. You need to set up the rigid body, but... Let's do that. But for now, I'm going to turn off the gravity. Just to see if I can get everything else working. Then I need the player movement script. And the character controller script. That reference. Reference to rigid body. And an animator. This has an animator on it, doesn't it? Yes. So, yeah, reference that for the animator. And now let's see what happens. Okay, well, he's not moving. Why is he not moving? Oh, wait. Ground check variable. Oh, yeah. Okay, so... Right. Let's add a box collider, first of all. So that he can collide with things. Can't see the collider. Where is it? What, it's just in like the center of the screen there? Why? Okay, let's reset this to begin with. Oh, I need to reset the position of the graphics. That's the problem. Okay. And then move it up by 0.5. So it's centered. There. Do I want my box collider to be wider? Nah, let's not make it wider. Let's make things fun. No, I just need to add ground check variable. And a ceiling check. Okay, that should be good. And the ground check is down here. Ceiling check up here. 5. Do I want it slightly higher? I might. Yeah, sure. There. Now I need to assign those. There, I think. Oh, and I also need to assign what is ground. So I need a ground tag. Or a ground layer. Let's go here. This is my ground. Add layer. Ground. Let's add one for my player as well. While I'm at it. Okay. Now, let's make this into ground. Sure. I don't think it matters too much. And the player is the player. And then... is that all I need to do to get the movement working? Let's see. I don't like how he's in the center. I don't want him there. Put him back here. There's some room to run. Oh, okay, so now it's because there's no speed parameter in the animator. Okay, well, let's open up the animator, I guess. And some parameters. How specifically is it named? What is it? V speed with no capitalization. Okay. X speed and V speed. Okay. I don't think I'm really gonna use those anyway, but I'll have them here just so that they're there. Now, is he gonna start running? No. Why not? Tell me why. Why does he not run? I did... hold on. I didn't change the wrong script, did I? No. So, horizontal move should be set to 40. Is there anything that's setting it to anything different? Is there... I wonder if I can jump. If I jump right now, I should just be, like, flying up into the air. Oh, I can't jump either? Why not? Parameter in air does not exist. Oh, in the animator. That's just a Boolean, right? Yeah. don't think I'm gonna use that, but whatever. Okay, well, let's see if I can jump. What? I can't jump either? What's wrong with this? Hold on, let's put that back in. What am I doing wrong? Is there something that I'm missing? Is there something I'm forgetting about? Let's freeze rotation. There's gotta be something that I didn't do here. Air control? Did I just not have that pressed? Not checked, I mean? Oh, okay. Ah, I'm stuck. Okay. So I think that's what was going on. I didn't have air control checked. And it was just thinking I was in the air the whole time. Because I mean, I was. Okay. And I want to be able to double jump as well, I think. Let me think. How am I gonna do this? Should I just have a Boolean for double jump? Or let's call it can double jump, just to make it a little bit more clear. Okay. Now, how am I going to do this? So jump is equal to true here. Let's see. So I need to, when I'm jumping, I need to check if the character is in air. So let's go. How do I do this? I've never done double jumping with this setup before. So let's say if in air no wait let's say so this is just setting the jump boolean to true so that down here it'll take in jump. Let's just we'll make it an integer. Int jumps is equal to 2. Okay, I can make that public so I can like determine how many double jumps there are. and let's say and jump is greater than 0 for jumps. And then I can go jumps minus equals 1. And then on collision with the ground, let's go jumps equal to... Okay, wait, no. Let's int max jumps is equal to 2, not 3, 2. And then let's just have this, oops, as a non-public integer. This one will be a public integer. Okay. And then jumps equal to max jumps. Hopefully that'll work. And I need to have like a starting platform, I'd say. Starting platform. And I guess it doesn't really matter where the position of it is. And then let's just add in a bunch of blocks to the starting platform. Like minus 2 and x minus 10. Then let's just adding them. Oops, minus 9. Let's just add a bunch. Minus 8. Minus 7. Minus 6. 5. 4. I'm pretty sure there's like a snap to grid option, isn't there? Whatever. I've never used it before. I don't know how to use it. Probably used it before and I just forget. And the player can start right here. Now let's see if I have a double jump. Okay, well the problem with that is that... Okay, first of all, let's go jumps equal to max jumps. So that gets set when the game starts, as opposed to just when I land on things. And then I also need to set the gravity so he actually falls after jumping, so I can tell that he's gonna be jumping. Okay, that did not work. That did not work at all. Jumps greater than 0. Which they should be. What am I doing wrong now? What is happening? Do I not have the ground check low enough, I wonder? Maybe it should be slightly lower than the bottom of the character. Still, I should be able to jump. What? Are the controls set up correctly? What am I looking for here? What am I looking for here? Where are the controls? Under project settings? Where is it? Input manager, that's what I'm looking for. Jump. Space. Jump is space. So what's going wrong here? Jumps should be greater than 0. Okay, debug.leg. Let's just have it print jump when I jump. That would be ideal. Okay. It is printing the word jump, but I'm not jumping. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I don't have it. I didn't set what ground is. That might help. Maybe? I'm not sure, but maybe. Okay, double jump isn't working. I can jump, but I can't double jump. Let's increase my gravity. Because that's very slow fall. Okay. So I can jump, but I just can't double jump. See. What is preventing me from double jumping? It's got to be something with the 2D character controller code, right? I've never tried to do double jumping with this. Okay, void move. Okay, I don't want that. Jump. Am grounded. I think. I think I just want to remove that, don't I? If M grounded. I think if I just remove that, I think that will make everything work. Let's see. Let's check. Now, theoretically, I should have a double jump. Yes! Okay, I have a double jump. I have a double jump. Alright, let's adjust the physics a little bit. I want to make the gravity higher. And also add more jump force. I want the jump to be way faster. Whoa. That was a very tiny jump. A very tiny double jump, I mean. Weird. Also, there's like a little bit of a pause when you hit the ground. Okay, so I need to also make it so that I need to set the vertical force of the rigid body to 0. There's a way to just like set velocity, right? Set velocity. Okay. Okay, yeah, just... Okay, this... What's the... Okay, it's... I have to reference... M underscore rigid body. Okay, yeah. Let's do that. M underscore... My music stopped again. It keeps thinking that I want to fucking pause the music. Wait, I have been playing... I hope I've been playing Twitch safe music this whole time. I'm pretty sure I have. I'm just looking through my history here. It's been White Bat audio the whole time, I'm pretty sure. It's a good thing I turned off autoplay right there, because the next video that comes up would have been something else that isn't White Bat audio. Okay. Rigid body 2D. Dot velocity. It is just velocity, right? Yeah. Equal to new vector 3. And I can just say can I just say velocity? It is a vector 3, right? So can I like get the X and Y and just keep that the same? Or I just want to keep the X the same, really. Let's just copy and paste that. X. And then this is 0. And then this is also 0. Okay, hopefully that'll work. I think I've used that before in some game, but I don't remember. So let's find out if it works. It works. Excellent. perfect. Okay, let's turn the gravity up, first of all. I want the collision detection to be continuous. Is that why I'm kind of freezing there when I hit the ground? Nope. Forget what it is I want to do to make that work. I may need a physics material of some sort. Actually, I think that is it. That I need like a slippery physics material. Otherwise, you kind of get caught on edges sometimes. Create. Where even is that? I want a physics material. Physics material 2D. That's what I want. Slippery. Friction. So I want it to be like frictionless. 0? That's what I want, right? No friction. And then I want to add that onto my block prefab. Will that fix things? Whoa, okay. It fixed things for a moment and then just kind of stopped. Why? Why the stop? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Okay. I totally forget what I'm supposed to do. I know I don't want any bounciness. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Okay. I guess that worked. That worked, right? Yeah, I just needed the right kind of physics material. Alright, maybe a little bit more gravity. Okay. A bit more jump force. I want you to be able to jump higher, but fall faster. I'm getting things working. Okay, okay, okay. I'm fine with this. So now the next thing to do would be to make the camera follow the player, and then make sure that the blocks, the platforms are spawning in at the edge of the screen. I think that'll make it work. Alright, but for now, I'm going to take a real quick bathroom break. Where's my be right back screen? There it is. I have returned. Okay, so I gotta see you can run and jump and double jump. I think, if anything, I'm going to at least finish the basic gameplay today. Hold on, I want to get a longer playlist going here. Where's the one I'm looking for? I have too many bookmarks. Is this not the playlist that I was thinking of? Yeah, it is this one. Didn't go through the whole playlist, though. I already played that one today. Alright. Let's go back to here. Okay. So now, the one thing I want to do that's kind of bugging me is change the color of the background. This is such a gross color. There. It's a bit more pleasant. It's not the default Unity background color. Let's see. I do have a script for making the camera follow the player. Let's see, where is that? Pretty sure this is what I want. Let's see. What is this now? Camera follow. There's something wrong. Camera follow, apparently. Why does it say? What is that supposed to say? Up there. Why does it say mono.cecil at the top? I don't have that at the top of any other script. Okay. Can I just remove that? I must have got this script from, like, some website. Okay, so now I just need to have a target. I just need to put this on my camera and then have a target, I guess. And this should smoothly move towards that target. Wait, is there an offset that I can use? I totally forgot if I was just what I was just looking at. Okay, there is an offset. Okay, excellent. I think I just put this script on my camera, and then just have the player as my transform, and then I want to offset it by like how much on the x-axis, I wonder. Like, if the player is here at like minus 9.5. Okay, well, let's just see. I want the player to be like around here, minus 8. And then, so I guess I just want an offset of 8. Okay. Whoa, what just happened there? The camera just kind of went a little wacky all of a sudden. What? What's going on? Okay, so where's the player? Where is the player? Okay. Down here? Why is the player going down there? Okay, if I don't have this on, does the player still go down there? I don't know why that would make any kind of difference. Whoa. Wait, did I not just turn this off? Oh, I turned it off while the game was paused, so it turned back on. Okay, why is the camera follow script doing that, I wonder? I don't know why that would be causing this to happen. Just set this to a different number? This doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. Why is the camera doing something, making the player teleport? What? Okay, you know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna use this script. Not right now, at least. Maybe I'll try to get it working later. What I am going to do is I'm going to have a camera anchor. I'm going to need this because I want to add camera shake later on. And then have the camera anchor just be a child object of the player. Okay, yeah, that works fine. That works good enough for me. Good enough for now. And then the thing is, I don't really want the camera to be moving on the y-axis, I don't think. I don't know. Okay, let's create a death zone that's going to be below the player. It'll just have a box collider on it, just a big, wide box collider. I have it like down here. And then have it just be really, really wide. Well, actually, let's just make it really, really fucking wide. The thing is, I want this game to be able to go infinitely. So this is going to need to follow the player. And so is the camera. I want this to be 22, so it stretches across the whole width. So I do need to use that camera follow script. Why is it fucking up like that? This makes no sense to me. I don't understand why this would be making the player move. Okay, hold on. Maybe I should have it like this. Just have this on a camera anchor. Because last time I just had it on the camera itself. I don't know if this will make a difference. Let's try it. Okay, that did make a difference. And then I can parent the depth zone to the camera anchor. And then let's add a layer for let's just call this layer death. Or add a tag. I don't know. Let's add a tag. Add the death tag, and I can add that to any like enemy that I might want as well. And then I don't know if I really need a health script, because I think this game is going to be like just one hit and then you die. Probably. I assume so. Oh, and I should also make it so that the game goes faster the longer you play it. So I should have the character's move speed be increasing very slowly. Okay. So let's have another variable called speed gain, I guess, equal to. Thing is, this if it's going to increase speed every frame, it needs to be pretty low, like 0.1 f. Okay. Let's actually take this and move it up here. And then down here, I'm going to go horizontal move plus equals speed gain. Okay. Now, the player should be getting faster over time. Oh, this song's cool. I kind of want to have this song as one of my waiting music songs. I'm gonna bookmark that for later. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is make it so the player can die. So I'm just gonna create a health script, and then I'm gonna need a game manager script to move between scenes or like open up menus and stuff. Okay. Yeah. And then I'm not going to have too many scenes. I'm probably just going to have like a starting screen. I'll have a starting screen that shows, just the title of the game. Well, let's create scene. Call it start screen. and then you just go into the game, and then that'll be it. Like when you die, there'll be a menu that comes up that shows your score, and then an option to restart the game, and then that'll be it. Okay, so let's create yeah, UI image. Actually, let's have that image on a blank game object called game over, so I can just enable or disable it whenever I want to. You know, just reset the position of this. Make it a little bit wider. Wider than that. And a little bit taller. Sure. And then just... I want to make it black and then decrease the alpha. So... not quite like that. A little bit less. Oh, I don't want to play this song. This is like my ending screen music by White Bat Audio. 100% copyright-free music to use in your projects by Karl Casey. Let's make it a little bit less transparent. And then I can have some text. This says game over. Import TMP essentials. I don't know why I opened Visual Studio there. I'm pretty sure I don't want it to say new text, and I'm pretty sure I don't want this font either. And I want it to be centered. I want it to say game over. Let's make it wider so it can fit on one line. Do I have any different fonts I can choose from right now, or do I just have to... No, I'm gonna have to find a font later. But yeah, for now... There. Then I'm gonna have to have a few buttons for showing restart game, quit game. Now this is going pretty smoothly so far. Oh, where's the button? There it is. Let's call this restart. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to find some kind of better font. And I'll make this look a little bit better later. In general. Making it bold doesn't really do that much for it. Neither does that. If I... You know, I can leave it as it is right now. I can make it look nice later. And then this will be the quit option. There. Actually, wait, I want to make it all capitals. That may look a little bit better. Slightly. Not that this is permanent, but... There, it's good enough for now. And then it'll show your score right below game over. Maybe it'll show... It'd be nice to have a little leaderboard. I'll do that if I have the time, and I think I will have the time. Excuse me. But what is really important... What is really important is just having the score display at the end, because that's the whole point of the game jam. If I don't have the score, then you know, then I think I'm disqualified. So let's duplicate this. Maybe make the font a little bit smaller, like 30. Say score. And then next line down. I'll have this one called for display. This here, and this will say your score. Yeah, that's what the screen will look like for now. Okay. This is something I do not need to be doing right now. But I need to do it at some point. Okay, so let's work on making it so the player can die. Scripts. Health. There. So then we'll go on collision, enter 2D. Let's say if collision dot game object dot tag is equal to death, then I'm gonna need a reference to the game manager to bring up the game over screen. And then, okay. It's kind of weird making a game while narrating everything that I'm doing. I've never had to do that before. Actually, I think I do that anyway, now that I think about it. Because I usually just kind of talk to myself while I do things. But now, there's actually the potential for people to hear what I'm doing. Let's make this public game object. Game over or menu. And then I need to go public void game over. Make a class for that. And then what? Then what? What do I do here? I guess just enable? Yeah, game over menu set Active. False. Wait, no. True. Yes, I want to enable that. Okay. So then I need to actually get my game manager into the scene. At the very top, because I like to have it up there. Have the script. Oh wait, do I not have the reference? Oh wait, what's going on? Name collision does not exist in the current context. Oh, I guess I spelled collision wrong. Oh, collision. Okay. Then game manager. Oh fuck, I spelled public wrong. Game manager. Let's call it game manager. Simple enough. Let's do that. You know, I'm not sure. I might actually have health in this game at some point. So let's go. Let's just make a method for dying. And then just, for now, I'll have this be die. But if I add health, I'm going to have a thing that subtracts your health, and that the health equals 0, then it runs the die method. But right now, I'm just going to have this. At the moment, it's unnecessary, but if I add health, then it won't be. And then I just need to go game manager.game over. Boom. Done. All right. Let's make another method for restart game. And then another method for quit game. Okay, so then I can just go like, what is it? Just application dot quit. Boom. Okay. And then, how do I restart a scene? I forget how to do that. Wait, I have a game manager script that I usually use, but I decided not to use it, and instead just decided to go with this. Okay, let's go just, yeah, scene manager.load scene game. I'm pretty sure I need to, first of all, I need to rename the scene, but I also make sure I'm using scene management. Oh, I'm already using scene management. Is that just, does that just happen if you name something game manager? I guess so. I guess that's just an automatic thing. It just adds that if you name an object, or you name a script game manager now. Okay, that's cool. So now I can quit game, restart game. I need to rename this scene to game. Which means I need to go here. Let's save that. Call this game. All right. So now I should be able to set that up so I can restart and quit the game. One click. manager. Let's go. Where is it? Bring restart. Restart game. Okay. Game manager. Quit game. Okay. I feel like I'm getting a lot done here. I got this whole menu done. I just don't have it so it can display the score yet. I need to have a score script. And some kind of score display as well. It'll show your score as you're playing. And your time. So let's just call this UI, or should I call it UI display? I don't know. And then this needs to have my mind is blanking. It needs to have text for score and time. Bring this like up here. Score 0. Yeah. Duplicate. Should I have the time down here, maybe? I don't know, for now. And the time will just be like... I think the time is just going to be in seconds. Just 0. I don't know. Maybe the time will be up here on this side. I guess it doesn't matter right now. It doesn't matter. I'm just getting everything set up. Yeah, I guess I want a script for the timer. Should I just put that on the player? No, I'll just have a... what should I call this? Oh, you know what? No, I'll just have it on the game manager. Whatever, I don't need a separate object. I do have a timer script that I've used before. Let's see if I can use that. I'm pretty sure I can just use this. Probably. Let's just throw this in and see if it works. Just have to put it on the game manager. Oh, and also I need a reference to the game over menu. And then disable this for now. And then game manager. So it's okay. What do I need? Oh, this needs to be referencing Text Mesh Pro. Yeah, I guess the last time I used this script, I wasn't using Text Mesh Pro. MD. How does? What do I need to? What do I need in order to reference Text Mesh Pro? I always forget. Is it just TM Pro text? TMP text? Oh, this is an outdated version of the site. Okay, do I have to say using Text Mesh Pro? Hold on. I'm just gonna look at the documentation. Oh, there's no examples here? Just one example script, please. I'm not gonna watch a fucking video. Okay, yeah, so I need to go using TM Pro. There. And it's okay, it's TMP underscore text. Okay, that's all I need to know. All right, I might use a different kind of text script at some point that uses float instead of an integer, or I could just convert the float to an integer. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do one of the two. One of those two things. Anyway, I can reference this now. And then that should be good. As far as I know. Hold on, I'm gonna reset this position just for the heck of it. All right. Let's see how this works. Does this timer count upwards like it should? Okay. What's happening here? Wait, what is actually going on? Where's the player? I don't know. Okay, that was weird. Okay, I think game over wasn't happening because I didn't reference the game manager here. Okay, so now I should be able to get game over. No? I can't? Why not? Game object tag is equal to death, then die. Is oh, I didn't tag this. That's the problem. Now, when I hit that, the game over screen should come up. Yes. And then you just keep bouncing infinitely. while moving slightly faster than the camera for some reason. I don't know why. You always move slightly faster than the camera? Let's remember, I set the gravity scale to 6. Yeah, what the fuck? Why does the camera not keep up? Oh, that's annoying. The camera should just... The offset should be like 8. What's that gonna do? It just moves the camera way ahead. Alright, well, I'll figure this out later. What was the other thing I needed to do? I still need to make the game actually, like, fucking playable. Still haven't done that yet. And then... need to make it so... camera... I need to make it so the platforms spawn outside of the camera area. Wait, what is this reference that's null? What? Where's this now? Value cannot be null. What value cannot be null? What is going on here now? Name Unity self? What? Okay, that's weird. I don't know why that's happening. What is causing that now? Like what? Where is this coming from? Like what script is this coming from? I don't understand. Oh, jeez. I don't get it. I don't get it. What is null? What is null? Why is something null? Why is something null? It was something null before I added the timer. Oh, wait. Okay, so it is the timer that's doing that. What's going on then? I don't think it really matters as long as the timer is working. It doesn't that doesn't seem to be affecting the game at all, so I think it's fine. Alright, I don't know. How long have I been streaming for? That's what I'm wondering. It says 2 hours, but I'm pretty sure I've been streaming longer than that. Anyway, I think I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. And maybe I might work on this a little bit more off stream, probably. Or I might just stream a bit more later on. I don't know. I'll try to fix some of the boring issues off stream and then do some... figure out if there's some cool stuff I can do on stream. I still need to do, like, the battery mechanics and actually being able to, like, charge up your charge attack and break through things. So there's still quite a bit more that I need to do. As well as making it so, like, you can actually score. I'm not sure how exactly the score is going to be calculated. Probably from breaking through things with your charge attack. And also... what else? I guess the distance that you go. I don't know if your time will play into the score. I think it's going to be based more just on your distance. I might just remove the timer entirely and just have a distance counter, and that will influence your final score. I think that's what I'll do. I'm not going to do it right now. For now, I'm taking a little bit of a break. I'll be back possibly later on tonight. If not, then definitely tomorrow at some point. I don't know when, but eventually. Anyway, that was fun. Thank you to anyone who showed up and watched the stream, or anyone who watches the VODs. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye.